Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, I'll get to your gas prices shortly. But again, just in case you're just joining us and you missed the news at the start of the bulletin, the NCB Financial Group has announced that Septimus Blake, who is the CEO of NCB Jamaica, that's National Commercial Bank Jamaica, has stepped aside and he's being replaced by Bruce Bowen, former CEO of Scotia Group Jamaica. So that developing story, of course, will continue to track for you as it moves. Now, to today's other news, the private sector is urging an acceleration in the rollout of solutions to make local energy cheaper. The PSOJ's President Forum Wednesday morning focused on energy and power. Jamaican businesses continue to lament the high cost of electricity.
Jamaica's energy prices have been a cause of concern for the country, as we rank 142 out of 146 countries with the highest electricity charges globally in 2021. This means that Jamaica's energy prices are more than double the global average, putting the country at a serious disadvantage as a nation, and we strive to excel, but unfortunately, our energy prices are helping to hold us back.
A reality that the president of the private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Metri Siaga, says is also hindering further economic growth.
Jamaica has the highest energy poverty status among 82 low to middle income countries, per the energy poverty assessment published last year.
He, however, lauded the policy goal of having 30% of local energy generation coming from renewable sources by 2030. Just appointed in May this year, the new CEO of the Jamaica Public Service, Steve Berberich, says he is aware of the energy concerns in Jamaica. In addition to the cost, reliability is another issue.
We intend to dramatically increase the number of crews so that we can pivot to a proactive maintenance stance, posture, and to more quickly respond to problems when they occur. Rates are punishingly high. Contributing to them being higher than they should be is a reliance on imported fuel and theft on the system. Adding renewables should help mitigate the fuel cost and volatility impact over time, and we are 100% behind that.
He says the company has also set out some additional guiding principles.
We are committed to decarbonizing the grid and being a willing partner of the Jamaican people in accomplishing that. We would like to position the company to be agnostic to people self-generating. We'd like to provide open and transparent access to the grid and fulsome support for electrifying transportation across the board and across the island.
The Jamaica Public Service has been in operation for 100 years. And some more on energy, but this time, for those of you who have motor vehicles and motorbikes, some good news this week. So effective tomorrow, we'll be seeing lower prices at the pumps. A litre of 87 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. 90 will decline by $1.60. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $3.06 less. Kerosene will also decline by $3.06. $2.22 will be shaved off the cost of propane, while butane will go down by $3.06. Of course, each gas station will make their own adjustments to the rates, which includes a markup to the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. But what all of this really means is that if your tank is not on E, you can chill and you can then go to the gas station tomorrow. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.76. $115.83 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $188.83, while it's costing $116.21 for the euro. And finally, the JSE index gained 6,385 points today, while the junior market index increased by 30 points. Among the 59 winners were Portland JSX, Pulse Investments, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Guardian Holdings, and General Accident Insurance. The 35 losers were led by JMMB Group, 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, First Rock Real Estate US dollar shares, Sterling Investments, and Epley. Now, 15 stocks ended the session at the same price they opened trading on Wednesday. And after all that, that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.